मन शिव में सरमाहे, मन शिव में सरमाहे, मन शिव में सरमाहे, मन शिव में सरमाहे। ये भूल गए हम कहाँ हैं, ये भूल गए हम कहाँ हैं। सारा जग शिव में देखता, सारा जग शिव में देखता। अंबर शिव धरती माँ है, मन शिव में सरमाहे, मन शिव में सरमाहे। जब ध्यान में शिव जी आते हैं, मुझे अद्भुत शांति मिलते हैं। जब ध्यान में शिव जी आते हैं, मुझे अद्भुत शांति मिलते हैं। मैं देखला नहीं सर जग को, जो मन में सोती जाते हैं। जब भूल कोई जाती है, जब भूल कोई जाती है। जीव करते को किस्मा है, शिव करते को किस्मा है। सारा जग शिव में देखता, सारा जग शिव में देखता। अंबर शिव धरती माँ है, मन शिव में सरमाहे, मन शिव में सरमाहे। शिव भक्ति का आनंद मधुर कोई वर्णता ना पाते हैं। शिव भक्ति का आनंद मधुर कोई वर्णता ना पाते हैं। ये वो है ज्ञान रस है, जो सब ना हो जाते हैं। जैसे मूरत मन में दिखती है, जैसे मूरत मन में दिखती है। उससे की ना कोई उपमा है, उसकी ना कोई उपमा है। सारा जग शिव में देखता, सारा जग शिव में देखता। अंबर शिव धरती माँ है, मन शिव में सरमाहे, मन शिव में सरमाहे। ये भूल गए हम कहाँ हैं, ये भूल गए हम कहाँ हैं। सारा जग शिव में देखता, सारा जग शिव में देखता। अंबर शिव धरती माँ है, मन शिव में सरमाहे, मन शिव में सरमाहे, मन शिव में सरमाहे। प्रेम से बोलो श्री गणपति भगवान की जय। श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। श्री उमापति महादेव की जय। हर 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 महादेव। ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपितजम्बो फलचारुभक्षिणम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारकं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपंकजं। प्रेम से बोलो श्री गणपति भगवान की जय। ओम जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते। जय त्वं देवी चामुंडे जय भूतारतिहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमोस्तुते। प्रेम से बोलो श्री जगदम्बिका दुर्गा माता की जय। ओम We bow to Bhagavan Shiva, the one who we dedicate this day to, the one who we dedicate this Somavar, this Monday to. We call him Someshwar Bhagavan, the Lord of Somvar. Om Vande Devam Umapatim Suragurum Vande Jagatkarinam Vande Pannagabhushanam Mrigadharam Vande Pashunam Patim Vande Surya Shashankavahinayanam Vande Mukunda Priyam Vande Bhaktajanashrayam Chavardam Vande Shivam Shankaram Shantan Padmasanastam Shashidharmukutam Panchavakram te netram Shulam Vajram Chagatkam Parashubhabhaidam Dakshinange Mahantam Nagam Pasham Chaganta Damaruka Sahitam Chakusham Vamabhage Nanalankara Spatikamalnibham पार्वती नमामि। प्रेम से बोलो श्री उमापति महादेव की जय। Now let us all join in the Shri Shivaji Chalisa, 40 verses dedicated to the glory of Bhagavan Shiva. Jai Ganesh Girija Suvan मंगल मूल सुजान कहत अयोध्या दास तुम देहो अभय वरदान। जय गिरिजापति दीन दयाला सदा करत संतन प्रतिपाला। भालचंद्रमा सोहतनी के कानन कुंदल नागपनी के अंग गौर सिर गंग बहाए मंदमाल तन चार लगाए। वस्त्रकाल बांगंबर सोहे, छवि को देख नाग मुनि मोहे। नैन मातु के हवे दुलारी, भाम अंग सोहत छवि न्यारी। कर त्रिशूल सोहत छवि भारी, करत सदा शत्रुन क्षयकारी। नंदी गणेश सोहे तहं कैसे, सागर माध्य कमल है जैसे। कार्तिक श्याम और घनरायो, या छवि को कही दात लखाऊं। देवन जब ही जय पुकारा, तब ही दुख प्रभु आप निवारा। किया उपद्रव तारक भारी, देवन सब मिली तुम ही जुहारी। तुरत शरानन आप पधायो, लवनिमेष महामारी गिरायो। आप जलंधर असुर संहारा, स्वयश तुम्हारा वेदित संसारा। त्रिपुरासुर सन युद्ध मचाई, सब ही कृपा कर लीन बचाई। किया तप ही भागीरथ भारी, पूरब प्रतिज्ञता सुपुरारी। धने नमहन तुम सम को नाही, सेवक स्तुति करत सदाही। वेद नाम महिमा तब गाई, अकथ अनादि वेद नहीं पाई। प्रगति उधरी मंथन में ज्वाला, चरे सुरासुर भय विहाला। किन्ह दया कह करी सहाई, नीलकंठ तब नाम कहाई। पूजन रामचंद्र जब कीन्हा, जीत के लंक विभीषण दीन्हा। सहस कमल में हो रहे भारी, किन्ह परीक्षा तब ही पुरारी। एक कमल प्रभु राखे उजोई, कमल नयन पूरन छन सोई। कतिन भक्ति देखी प्रभु शंकर, भय प्रसन्न दिए चित भर। त्राहि त्राहि में नाथ पुकारो, यही अवसर मोहियान उबारो। ले त्रिशूल शत्रुन को मारो, संकट से मोहियान उबारो। मातु पिता भ्राता सब कोई, संकट में पूछत नहीं कोई। स्वामी एक है आस तुम्हारी, अयहरहु अभ संकट भारी। धन निर्धन को देत सदा ही, जो कोई जांचे वो फल पाही। स्तुति के विधि करो तुम्हारी, क्षमहु नाथ अब चूक हमारी। शंकर हो संकट के नाशन, मंगल कारण विघ्न विनाशन। योगी यति मुनि ध्यान लगाए, पात करे मन लाई, तापर होत है शंभु सहाय। दुनिया जो कोई हो अधिकारी, पात करे सो पावनहारी। पुत्रहीन इच्छा कर कोई, निश्चय शिव प्रसाद ते होई। पंडित त्रयोदशी को लावे, ध्यान पूर्वक होम करावे। त्रयोदशी व्रत करे हमेशा, तन नहीं ताके रहे कलेशा। धूप दीप नैवेद्य चढ़ावे, शंकर सन्मुख पाप सुनावे। जन्म जन्म के पाप नसावे, अंतवास शिवपुर में आवे। कहे अयोध्यास तुम्हारी, जानी सकल दुख हरहु हमारी। ओम नमः शिवाय, 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 ओम नमः शिवाय। नित्य नेम कर प्रातहि, पात करो 40। तुम मेरी मानो कामना, पूर्ण कीन्ह। कल्याण उमापति महादेव की जय। श्री रामदूत हनुमान की जय। Now let us all join in the Shri Rudrashtakam. नमामि शमीशान निर्वाण रूपं, विभुं व्यापकं ब्रह्मवेद स्वरूपं। निजं निर्गुणं निर्विकल्पं गिरिहं, चिदाकाशवाकाशवासं भजेऽहं। निराकार ओंकार मूल तुरीयं, गिराज्ञानकोटीतमीशं गिरीशं। करालं महाकालकालं कृपालं, गुणाकार संसारपारं। नतोऽहं तुषाराद्रिसङ्घासगौरं गभीरं, मनोभूतकोटिप्रभाश्री शरीरं। स्फुरन्मौलिकल्लोलिनी चारुगङ्गां, लसद्भानुभालेन्दुकन्ते भुजङ्गं। चलत्कुन्दलं भ्रूसुनेत्रं विशालं, प्रसन्नाननं नीलकन्तं दयालं। मृगाधीशचर्मं वरं मुन्दमालं, प्रियं शङ्करं सर्वनाथं भजामि। प्रचण्डं प्रकृष्टं प्रगल्भं परेशम्, अखण्डम् अजं भानुकोटिप्रकाशं। त्रयाशूलनिर्मूलनं शूलपाणिं, भजेऽहं भवानीं पतिं भावगम्यं। कलातीतकल्याणकल्पान्तकारी, सदा सज्जनानन्ददाता पुरारी। चिदानन्दसन्दोहमोहापहारी, प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रभो मन्मथारी। न यावत् उमादात पादारविन्दं, भजन्ति लोके परे वानरानं। न तावत् सुखं शान्तिसन्तापनाशं, प्रसीद प्रभो नतोऽहं सदा सर्वदा शम्भुतोऽभ्यं जराजन्मदुःखादतातप्यमानं प्रभो पाहि आपन्नमामीश शम्भो नमामीश मीशाननिर्वाणरूपं विभुं व्यापकं ब्रह्मवेदस्वरूपं निजं निर्गुणं निर्विकल्पं निरीहं चिदाकाशवाकाशवासं भजेऽहं नमामीश मीशाननिर्वाणरूपं विभुं व्यापकं ब्रह्मवेदस्वरूपं निजं निर्गुणं निर्विकल्पं निरीहं चिदाकाशवाकाशवासं भजेऽहं नमामीश मीशाननिर्वाणरूपं विभुं व्यापकं ब्रह्मवेदस्वरूपं निजं निर्गुणं निर्विकल्पं निरीहं चिदाकाशवाकाशवासं भजेऽहं चिदाकाशवाकाशवासं भजेऽहं चिदाकाशवाकाशवासं भजेऽहं प्रेम से बोलो श्री उमापति महादेव की जय सांब सदाशिवाय नमः Jai Sitaram everyone. Om Namah Shivaya. And I welcome you to this wonderful Monday evening of Shiva Puja and of Shanti Satsang. I welcome those who are online and those who are here at Bhavani Shankar Mandir. Our actions are something that may be small, but can make the biggest of impacts. Whatever you do will always be seen by others in one way or another. Whatever you do shall always be noticed by others. The more you are seen, then the more you are noticed and judged by others. Think about a very famous individual who you have seen in the public. Are they known for doing things that are good, or are they known for doing things that are bad? Are they known for making change for the better, or are they known for making changes for the worse? Whatever is performed by someone who is very famous or someone who is extremely recognized these days, people will start to follow in their footsteps. Whenever a person comes to fame, whether they be famous because of the good or the bad things that they have done, whoever admires them will follow in their footsteps. Whoever follows them, whoever are their fans, as some of you may call it, will always try to follow in their footsteps. That can either be a good thing, or that can either lead for an extremely bad thing. Whoever we follow in life, whatever we do, we always have the ability and the power to change. We can either change from the good to bad, or from the bad to good. Mahatma Gandhi says that if we could change ourselves, the tendencies in the world would also change. As a man changes his own nature, so does the attitude of the world change towards him. We need not to wait to see what others do. Be the change that you want to see in the world. Whatever we see that wants to be changed in the world, take action and take charge to change the world for the better. Greatness is required for change. Before we continue, Let us all join in a bhajan dedicated to Bhagavan Shiva. Bholenath se nirala, Gaurinath se nirala, koi aur nahi. ऐसा बिगड़ी बनाने वाला कोई और नहीं, ऐसा बिगड़ी बनाने वाला कोई और नहीं। भोलेनाथ से निराला, गौरीनाथ से निराला कोई और नहीं हो। भोलेनाथ से निराला, गौरीनाथ से निराला कोई और नहीं। ऐसा बिगड़ी बनाने वाला कोई और नहीं, ऐसा बिगड़ी बनाने वाला कोई और नहीं। भोलेनाथ से निराला, गौरीनाथ से निराला कोई और नहीं हो। भोलेनाथ से निराला, गौरीनाथ से निराला कोई और नहीं। उनका डमरू दम दम बोले, अगम निगम का भेद खोले। उनका डमरू दम दम बोले, अगम निगम का भेद खोले। ऐसा भक्तों का रखवाला कोई और नहीं, ऐसा भक्तों का रखवाला कोई और नहीं। भोलेनाथ से निराला, गौरीनाथ से निराला कोई और नहीं। ओम भोलेनाथ से निराला, गौरीनाथ से निराला कोई और नहीं। काया जब जब करवत बदले, पाप चमकते अगले पिछले। काया जब जब करवत बदले, पाप चमकते अगले पिछले। ऐसा जोग जगाने वाला कोई और नहीं, ऐसा जोग जगाने वाला कोई और नहीं। भोलेनाथ से निराला, गौरीनाथ से निराला कोई और नहीं। भोलेनाथ से निराला, गौरीनाथ से निराला कोई और नहीं। तुमने जग का कष्ट मिटाया, मुझको स्वामी तू बिसराया। तुमने जग का कष्ट मिटाया, मुझको स्वामी तू बिसराया। अब तो मुझे बचाने वाला कोई और नहीं, अब तो मुझे बचाने वाला कोई और नहीं। भोलेनाथ से निराला, गौरीनाथ से निराला कोई और नहीं हो। भोलेनाथ से निराला, गौरीनाथ से निराला कोई और नहीं हो। कोई और नहीं हो, कोई और नहीं। So Mahatma Gandhi says that be the change that you want to see in the world. In the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 13, verse 21, what does Shri Krishna say in this verse? Yat yat acharati shreshtas tat tad evarataro janaha sayat pramanam kurute lokastat anuvartate. What does Shri Krishna say in this verse? This comes from chapter 3 of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 3, which is Karma Yoga, which is the chapter all about our karma, which is about our actions. And he says that whatever action is performed by a great man, then common men, common people, will start to follow in their footsteps. And whatever standards he sets by exemplary acts, all of the world pursues. Shri Krishna says that whatever is performed, or whatever actions are performed by someone who is great, by someone who is of noble qualities, then everyone will start to follow their actions. And the main message from this verse is that in life, we must always strive to be the ideal role model. Whatever actions you perform can always impact the life of someone who you may or may not know. Always be an ideal role model to those around you so that they may always continue on the path of Dharma. These days, people have many role models. It can be a certain celebrity, it can be a certain singer. They can have a poster of someone on their wall and be like, this is my role model. But my question to you is, does this person know you? Does this person know your experiences? Does this person do enough good? A role model, these days we're looking too far for someone to be our role model when it can be someone who we see every day. It could be our parents, it could be our grandparents, it could be our siblings, and of course, it could be no other than Bhagawan. Who knows you better than Bhagawan? Who knows what you are going through? Who can help you more than your Bhagawan? Your role model can be Bhagawan, it could be your guru, someone who you know and trust. Whenever you serve, do so selflessly. Do so without any expectation for a reward. When you do so, people will start to look at you as a selfless person. They will start to look at you as someone who does things selflessly. And of course, you do not do so for the recognition. If Hanumanji was not a selfless and humble being, if he was not if he was not someone who would never give up. You see, whenever he would serve Sri Ram, he'd always come into challenges. But the main message that we should take from him is that he never failed. If Hanumanji was not such a selfless and humble being, then no one would look at him as such a great role model. When you are a good role model, then people will aspire to have the great qualities that you have, the good qualities. So many people in our West Indian community love Hanumanji, including me. We love Hanumanji so much. Why? It is because there's so much we can learn from him. There are so many qualities that we admire and we strive to achieve. And that what we can learn from his actions, we can learn so much from his actions and learn how he deals with challenges. He has dealt with many challenges every time he wanted to serve Bhagavan Sri Ram, but he had never failed. And that is the main message we must take from Hanumanji. What else? What does Shri Krishna say what not to have in our life? What are the qualities we must not possess in our life? Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayan Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayan Vasudeva Dambodharpo Bhamanascha Krodha Parashuyam Evacham Ajanam Chadivitastasya Partha Sampadam Asurim Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayan Vasudeva He Nath Narayan Vasudeva Anika Chitta Vribhrantam Moha Jala Samarvratam Prashakta Kama Bhogeshu Patanti Narake Sucho Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare He Nath Narayan Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayan Vasudeva He Nath Narayan Vasudeva He Nath Narayan Vasudeva. Shri Krishna says in these verses, chapter 16, verse 4 and 10, ostentation, arrogance, and self-conceit, anger, harshness, and ignorance, being filled with unstable desires, full of hypocrisy, pride, and arrogance, holding evil ideas through delusion. Shri Krishna says that these are the qualities that we must never give into. We must never change into these qualities. These qualities will never let us change for the better. And in most cases, whoever has these qualities has nothing to lose. Whenever two people are arguing, there is always that one person who is shouting more, interrupting more, and becoming more angry in a situation. By doing so, they have most likely lost two things. They have lost their dignity and their character. When wealth is lost, we have lost something. When health is lost, we have lost something. When these two things are lost, we still have things that can keep us going in life. But when character is lost, then we have lost everything. And when we have lost everything, then we have nothing in life. Everything has changed for the worse. So, how can we change for the better? Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayan Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayan Vasudeva Abhayam सत्त्वा संसुधिर् ज्ञानयोगाव्ययस्थितिः धनं दमश्च यज्ञश्च स्वधयस्तप अर्जवन् श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा तेज क्षमा धृति शौचम् अद्रोहो नतिमनिता भवन्ति सम्पदं दैवीम् अभे च तस्य भरता श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा. In these verses, Bhagavan Shri Krishna describes the quality of how we can change for the better. He says in these verses, fearlessness, purity of heart, steadfastness in knowledge, giving of charity, control of the senses, yajna, study of the scriptures, austerity and straightforwardness, vigor, forgiveness, fortitude, purity, absence of hatred, and absence of pride. These are the qualities we must change to. And if you have not already, try to change to these qualities. These are the qualities that all Hindus must possess. Satya, Daya, Tapa, and Saucham. Satya means the truth. Daya means compassion. Tapa means Saucham. Tapa means austerities, and Saucham means cleanliness. When we speak of the truth, or when we say Satya, not only must we speak the truth, but we must always live by the truth. Daya, not only must we be compassionate to each other, but to all forms of life. Tapa, austerities, to always do our sadhanas. You see, in life, newer generations, sometimes they do not believe in the power of putting in many years of prayers and tapasya. They do not believe in praying. They do not believe in fasting for many days, for many weeks, or maybe in some cases for many months. And so, why is that? It is because nowadays people always look for a solution that can come to them quickly. A short-term and temporary solution that can become in effect in just a short period of time. But you see, nothing in life works like that, my friends. Let's say you have a small little sickness that may be a little minor. And so you go to the doctor, you go to the pharmacy so that you can be prescribed a medicine. But you are prescribed a medicine, and the doctor tells you that you have to take this medicine, let's say, for 2 times a day and for 7 days. But then you say to the doctor, that's too much time. I need something that can cure me fast. But that medicine, only after a certain period of time, it it will take effect and will start to take away the sickness from you. Many people, especially the younger generation, when they are starting out in a job, let's say they start in a high position, they always make the biggest changes in a short amount of time. They want to make the biggest changes in the shortest amount of time, and they want those changes to happen as soon as possible. But those changes, first of all, those changes, because they are so drastic, they cannot take place in such a short amount of time. It is always the newcomers in the jobs, in the highest positions, the people who are always younger. They always think that because they are so young and they have achieved such a high position in life, they think that they are above everyone else. But my friends, that is not the case. In life, you always have to start small and then gradually work yourself up. Think about Bhavani Shankar Mandir. Before, we were in the little unit for many years. But as time went on, we slowly started to construct this new building, and so we moved into this new building, this new establishment. But that did not happen overnight, my friends. That took years and years of planning. That had many ups and downs. Many volunteers had come over many years to help this mandir become what it is today. And so, in life, we always have to start small and work our way up. We always have to go through ups and downs in life. And so, if we don't go through those challenges in life, then we never really know what life is. This one time I saw a notebook on my dad's desk, and the cover page, it was a quote on the cover page, and it really stood out to me. It said that it's a very simple quote. It said that in order to write about life, you must first live it, which of course makes sense to everyone. When you are starting out, when you get your first job, it is always a small job. It may be answering phone calls to angry customers. And then slowly you work your way up to the manager, and then the boss, and then the boss's boss, and the project manager, and so on. You slowly have to work your way up. And the more years, or the more jobs that you have, the more experience you gain, and the more experienced you are in that field. And so, when it is time to make those drastic changes, we have the experience and we have the knowledge to be able to know what it takes to make those changes. When you are starting a big project in life, not everything happens overnight. If you are building something, you have to gather all of the components that you have to build something. And then those components do not come overnight. You have to work your way up. And finally, after many hard times, after many days of hard working, your project is complete and you feel satisfied. And so, as I conclude, let me leave you with the message that may you always be able to make changes. Greatness is always required to make changes in life. And may you always have the great qualities to make those changes in life. Prem Sabalo Shri Umapati Mahadeva Ki Jai. Shri Ramachandra Bhagavan Ki Jai. Shri Ramaduta Hanuman Ki Jai. And now we'll hand it over to my dad, Pandit Hardat, to carry on the rest of this evening. Please stay tuned, everyone. Shri Umapati Mahadeva Ki Jai.
प्रेम से बोलो श्री गणपति भगवान की जय। भवानी शंकर भगवान की जय। शिवतनय वरिष्ठं सर्वकल्याणमूर्तिं परशुं कमलहस्तं शोभितं मोदकेन अरुणकुसुममाला व्याललम्बोदरन्तं मम हृदयनिवासं श्रीगणेशं नमामि। बोले गणपति भगवान की जय हो। This evening we want to wish a happy belated birthday to Hishani, who turned 12 years old on Friday, August 21st. She is a very talented girl who sings and plays the harmonium. Hishani is very special to her three older sisters. She's a very persevering person and moreover excels marvelously in school. We wish to extend happy belated birthday to you, Hishani. We couldn't celebrate with you Friday because we finished our broadcast on Thursday, but I'm glad that we could actually share these moments for you. And I'm so happy that at 12 years old you have high aspirations. And the higher we aim in life with a good intent, better it is for, the self. It is always good to aim high regardless of what anyone tell you. Not with any pride and any sense of pride, but just with a sense of dignity, with a sense of honor, with a sense of contentment, and with a sense of selflessness in everything that you do. Happy belated birthday to you. And we sing a beautiful Shivaji dhoon for you and ask Bhagwan Mahadev Bhagwan to bless you forever. Om Upar ek upar. Gangadhara Shiva. Oh, by the way, Auntie Kamal is a witness to this kirtan. I actually composed this kirtan when I was a little boy. You remember that, Auntie Kamal? Lakshmi Mandir. And when I read my 4th yajna, so I composed this kirtan. Very simple. Gangadhara Shiva Gangadhara Hara Hara Bhole Gangadhara. So anybody can compose kirtan. You just take the names of God and put it together and put a tune to it, and you become a composer. So I printed a little pamphlet. I think the only person that has a pamphlet is you, if you still have it. It's a purple color pamphlet. And that is probably over 20 years old. So Auntie Kamal has history. Very beautiful, simple bhajan that we sing for little Hishani. Well, not little, she's 12 years old. Let's sing and ask Bhagwan Shivji's blessings on her. Gangadhara Shiv Gangadhara Gangadhara Shiv Gangadhara Har Har Bhole Gangadhara Har Har Bhole Gangadhara Gangadhara Shiv Gangadhara Gangadhara Shiv Gangadhara Har Har Bhole Gangadhara Har Har Bhole Gangadhara Yogeshwara Shiv Yogeshwara Yogeshwara Shiv भोले योगेश्वरा, हर हर भोले योगेश्वरा। गंगाधरा शिव गंगाधरा, गंगाधरा शिव गंगाधरा। हर हर भोले गंगाधरा, हर हर भोले गंगाधरा। रामेश्वरा शिव रामेश्वरा, रामेश्वरा शिव रामेश्वरा। ओ रामेश्वरा शिव रामेश्वरा, हर भोले रामेश्वरा, हर हर भोले रामेश्वरा। गंगाधरा शिव गंगाधरा, गंगाधरा शिव गंगाधरा। हर हर भोले गंगाधरा, हर हर भोले गंगाधरा। ओ गंगाधरा शिव गंगाधरा, गंगाधरा शिव गंगाधरा। हर हर भोले गंगाधरा, हर हर भोले गंगाधरा। ओ हर हर भोले गंगाधरा, हर हर भोले गंगाधरा। योगेश्वरा शिव योगेश्वरा, योगेश्वरा, the first yogi ever in this world. The world's first yogi is Bhagwan Shivji. You know how yoga came about in this place? Yoga came about because Shivji Bhagwan taught the Saptarishis. Saptarishis, Agastya Muni, Vishwamitra, Vashishta, Bhardwaj Muni, and anyways, the Saptarishis, Durvasa, Vishwamitra, Vashishta, Bhardwaj. Anyways, he taught the Saptarishis, the 7 sages, the way of yoga. The way of yoga. The first 7 rishis. Those are the 7 rishis who had gone to test Mata Parvati's penance. Those are, the 7 has a big impact in Hindu wedding, as you know, 7 vows, 7 times around and so on. Anyways. So he taught the Saptarishis 114 ways in which we can attain Shiva. But before he taught these 114 ways how to attain Shiva, he taught this to Parvati Mata. He taught this way to Parvati Ma, not Sati, to Parvati. And when he taught it to Parvati Mata, and he now was going to teach the Saptarishis, he told them that anyone who wants to have yoga, yogeshwara, anyone who wants to become one with Shiva, or become, in union with Shiva, they have to have a sense of intimacy with Shivji. Because when this teaching was given to Parvati, that was a very intimate presence. And that is why when we are Shivji Bhagwan worshippers, we have to be intimate with the Lord. You have to cry for him, you have to, or her, you have to grieve for the Lord, you have to offer bhog like you're feeding. You have to look in the eyes of the Lord that this is a very living form. He taught the Saptarishis the 114 ways to attain Shiva. And of this, he taught them Hatha Yoga, which the world practices today, the 84 postures of Hatha Yoga. And so Bhagwan Shiva, the first yogi ever, Yogeshwara Shiva Yogeshwara, Hara Hara Bhole Yogeshwara. And of course, we wish a little, I call her little because she's just 12 years old, but happy birthday, Hishani, and hope you had a very blessed one. Panel Bhuvan has delivered his lecture already. I wouldn't talk about that. But today, we're in the period of Ganesh Chaturthi, right? Ganesh Chaturthi started Friday, and it's a 10-day period. So around this weekend, we usually do Visarjan, but we wouldn't be doing that. We will take little Ganesha and find a little water body and put him there, because we don't want to, engage a crowd. If we bring a crowd out, it's going to be a lot of people, because people are waiting for an opportunity to get out there to the water. And I can't control that. In here we can, out there, no. So we're going to play it safe. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the pujas, the Panditjis, and they are doing the chanting on the Ganesha. And the clay Ganesha is very important. And then this weekend we'll find some ways to do Visarjan. But Ganpati Bhagwan, have you ever noticed? I don't think you have. Do you know the difference between the Ganesha sitting on the altar in front and the Ganesha sitting next to Shivji? Has anybody ever looked if there's a difference even between the two of them? Well, we know one is sitting and one is standing, right? Very simple. Then there is the Panchaloha, the 5 metal Ganesha that we brought from India. It is in front of the big Ganesha here. That is the one with the many hands, right? And then we have the most famous Ganesha in this temple, which is at the back there. He is a little black Ganesha, dark Ganesha. That Ganesha is in this temple since our mandir opened in Melanie. That little one like this. This little Ganesha, he's in the back there somewhere. He watchman in the back. And that Ganesha in the front there that we have, when you come in, everybody go and register. Ganesha, I'm here. You mark, he has a register. He was there in that temple before that temple was open. And that is why when we opened this temple here, so many people ask Panditji, why don't you bring a nice marble Ganesha, make it nice? Maybe we'll do that eventually, but that's why he's still here. He is the oldest Murti in this temple, the front one. He's been there for us. And he's not marble, he's not granite, he's just a big, not plastic, but some other kind of marble Murti. Anyways, there are 32 different forms of Sri Ganesha. 32 different forms of Sri Ganesha. The one that stands next to Bhagwan Shivji and Parvati, he's called Trayaksha Ganapati. He has the rope in his left hand. The upper left hand has a rope. Now if you look at the one on the altar, the upper left hand has an axe. It's a big difference between that. And then the Panchaloha one, not the brass one, Panchaloha one below, he has many arms. When you look at him, he's like a big eagle with his, many hands came out. His hands look like wings. That is called Veer Ganapati. So Veer Ganapati, the small one, Mahaganapati, the middle one, the big one, and Trayaksha Ganapati, the one with the rope. All of them have different meanings. The one with the rope, Trayaksha Ganapati, the rope, if you look at Mata Durga, left hand, upper left hand as well, she has a rope. The rope is the one that represents bond. It can tie you and it can free you, right? In time of drowning, a rope can save you. A rope can save you if you're drowning. You hold on to the rope and you pull up, it can save you. But a rope can be used to bind you and to take you away from this world as well. This is the rope that she holds in her hands is the rope to bind you. Not to the world, but to her. To save you. If you're drowning, she throws a rope for you and she saves you. And that form of Ganapati in front of Shivam Parvati is the rope that if you're in a drowning moment, he throws that rope to you. And then there is the Ganapati with the axe. He has 2 axes, one in the left hand, one in the right hand. This is the axe to cut and to fight and to chop the bonds of life away. And then Veer Ganapati, the hero Ganapati, the one with the many hands, the little one. He is very cute, very powerful one. He is Veer Ganapati. Veer means the hero of our lives. 32 forms of Ganapati there are. And of course I won't talk about them today, but eventually I will. Now I have to tell you admittedly that the people are not the only ones who had withdrawal symptoms from Shanti Satsang, because I have a little bit of withdrawal symptoms as well. Yesterday after I went home after temple, and I got home about 7 after we leave here. And it's like, you can't find things to do. Right? We thought we'll have probably a relaxed evening, and here Mrs. Marajan say, I bet I've been the Panchanti satsang. Now, if that come out of she mouth, you know that it's a good intent. Anyways, so for this week, because it's Ganesh Chaturthi, we're not going to be live, but I'll do a couple of recorded videos and play it at 7 p.m. so that I will explain the 32 forms of Ganapati this week. So tomorrow, Hanumanji Chalisa, we can't get away from that. And by the way, we have some sponsors. No fee for sponsoring. Just send me your name and send me a text. If you want to do donation, good for you. Tomorrow, Hanumanji Chalisa. Wednesday, I'll do a recorded video on Ganapati. And Thursday, I'll do a recorded video. I'll play it at 7 p.m. so that everyone can see it. And you'll understand the 32 forms of Sri Ganesha. You will see it appearing live on Facebook. Please tune in. But I wouldn't be live. It will be recorded and it will be played back to you. So at least there's something happening there. But it's a very blessed period of our life, Ganapati. I told you yesterday the purpose of Ganesha, to draw away, just like you take the mud bath and the mud draws away the impurities. The clay Ganesha, Parthiv Ganesha does that as well. And so pujas is done, and then you do the Visarjan. May Bhagwan Shri Ganesha be with all of you. May Shiv Bhagwan guide and protect all of you as we continue this journey in spirituality and in devotion. Bole Bhavani Shankar Bhagavan ki. Mondays I will only come on to make announcements, so I have 2 announcements to make. One is we will be doing a Havan for everybody, a virtual Havan for everybody. So I'm working on the dates. 2 Havans we're doing. That one will be for everyone around the world. You will get your Havan Kund, and I'll tell you exactly what to get. And you will do your Havan while I'm doing it as well. You will follow. It will be for everyone, no fee, no nothing. You always are welcome to donate, but this is, Havan is very important in our life. And then the second one I'm planning is a 24-hour Havan Yagya. 24-hour. This is going to be big, and it has to be well planned out. It will not be long from now, because the minute October kicks, we can do it. So it will not be far away from now. How we'll do it? We'll organize a nice little tent outside, a big Havan Kund with bricks, enough wood for 24 hours to burn. And we have, Panditji, 24-hour Havan. Now we have 24-hour burn. You're missing out, Panditji. 24-hour. I know. This is going to be history in Canada for 24-hour. But it's not about history. It's about doing the right thing. So we are going to do different Havan, 24-hour. Mahamrityunjay Havan we'll do for hours. Then Chandi Havan, Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaya Vichai. Then Bhagwan Shri Narayan Havan, and so on, Lakshmi Havan, different periods. And since it will be, when I say 24 hours, I mean literally sitting down in front of the Kun, Om Trambakam Mijamahe, Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam, Urvarukme Vandanam, Richur Mokshe Mamatam Swaha. No food, no nothing like that, a little bathroom break maybe, but that's it. Go 24 hours. Obviously I can't shower for 24 hours, but please don't judge me. So I'll be sitting there literally doing Havan for 24 hours. But we want to make it nice. We will start it on a midday. It will go full evening, all night. And of course, we will conclude the midday of the following day. It has to be arranged nicely. Now, during this 24 hours, if anyone wants to come join in the participating of the Havan ceremony, we will encourage 4 families per hour. So 1 to 2, you have 4 families. They'll come and they'll sit distant. They can't contaminate because the fire will burn out all the germs. So they sit, swaha. When they finish, they go home, or they can sit around if they want. And the next 4 family come, I don't know, 1 or 2 or whatever, we'll plan it out. So that throughout the night as well, if anybody wants to come and just sit there, wrap with a blanket and sleep and wake up back and sleep, no more problem. I'll be there. Trambakam Majamahe Swaha. So that is being planned. I would like to do it soon, so it gets cold outside. So that's going to happen. Havan is this is the physical way of literally feeding the devtas. And in this beautiful land, there were so many beautiful things that were done to preserve the energies here. We'll do this as well. So please look out for the details on this. It's coming up soon, and we will make it very beautiful and something to remember, but more importantly, something to be part of. Mahamrityunjay Havan, Chandi Havan, different parts in 24 hours. Stay tuned for it. Bhagwan's blessings to all of you. People are asking if you can participate virtually as well. I am sure, of course, you can. We will talk to the tech guys here and girls to see how we can stream this for 24 hours. I don't know. I would love to, but we'll work it out for sure. Let us stand for Aarti, please. Om. Jai Ho. Aarti.
Om Jai Shiva Omkara Swami Hare Shiva Omkara Jai Shiva Omkara Swami Hare Shiva Omkara Brahma Vishnu Sada Shiva Brahma Vishnu Sada
कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनां सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। Bow your heads. ओम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम। बोलिए गणपति भगवान की, पवन सुत हनुमान की, गुरु महाराज की, नवग्रह देवता की, सियाभज रामचंद्र की, राधा कृष्ण भगवान की, लक्ष्मी नारायण भगवान की, श्री महागंगा मैया की, यमुना मैया की, श्री नवदुर्गा माता की, सूर्य नारायण स्वामी की, सत्यनारायण स्वामी की, श्री सरस्वती माता की, महालक्ष्मी माता की, जगदम्बिका माता की। नमः पार्वती पतये हर 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 महादेव शंभो। सत्य सनातन धर्म की। सबको जय जय सीताराम। Everyone please take Aarti and Prasad in the temple. Lots of people this evening in the temple. And tomorrow evening, we'll see all of you online from 7 p.m. for Hanumanji Chalisa. 7 to 9 p.m. tomorrow for Hanumanji Chalisa at the temple. And if at all you would like to us to sing Hanumanji Chalisa in your name for some occasion or just a form of blessing, please send me a text. That is the only way we can do it. Jai Shri.